You see, the interesting fact, if you look at the history of medicine, in the 18th to 19th century, there was what we call the germ theory of disease. That means if somebody falls sick or has an affliction, most likely it's a germ. Okay, like you have malaria, tuberculosis, leprosy. Leprosy was a big scourge. Typhoid, cholera. Chickenpox even used to kill people. Like South America, when the Spaniards went to South America, chickenpox used to kill the natives in South America because they were never exposed to chickenpox. So 18th to 19th century, we call it the germ theory of disease. But today we live in the 21st century. And today there's a dramatic shift in disease pattern. Do you have anybody that you know recently died of malaria or leprosy or tuberculosis or typhoid? Okay, of course our most recent infection was COVID, but that is a pandemic. So most people that you have heard of that die prematurely is actually due to chronic diseases. Okay, so today most diseases, if you analyze it, are caused by poor nutrition. It's not feng shui, it is not you were not born in the right alignment of planets, it's due to poor nutrition. I will illustrate. Okay, there was this landmark study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, 2004. Basically the conclusion was, today crops, that means whether it's any crops like apple, oranges, carrots, any vegetables, over the last 70 years, the content of protein, calcium, phosphorus, iron, vitamin A, riboflavin, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, all has reduced dramatically. Okay? And on top of that, if you look at our typical Malaysian meal, which we all love, okay, don't get hungry. Okay, how many of y'all ate this today? Okay, I ate thosai today. I went with my son today morning and we had a thosai. I have no problem with thosai, okay? But the question I want to ask you is, what is the vitamin C content of a thosai? Or what is the selenium content of a thosai? Or if you had roti canai, what is the vitamin C content, vitamin B content, zinc content? Actually, it's virtually zero. So it is not you can't eat this food. The most important thing is we understand our food is devoid of vitamins and minerals and we replace them in an organized manner. Okay, so for me no problem. I had the thosai today, I took my vitamins. So I replaced what was missing in the thosai. Okay, so that way my body will get the macronutrients and micronutrients. So the way we want to look at it is like this. If the tree represents you, and this is another tree here, it's still alive, all of us are alive, but a lot of us are not at our optimal health, correct? That means we are alive, but we are not in our optimal health. If someone sees a tree unhealthy, so what they will tend to do? Oh, let's spray some pesticide, there's a lack of chemicals and they do all kinds of funny things. But the problem is actually the soil. So once you organize the soil, the roots will get the nutrition and you will get a healthy tree back again. Okay? So the same way with us. So the good news is we all can become younger in the next 3 months. Okay? Because in 90 days you can totally change a lot of cells in your body.